We're going to show you how to clean, restore, and protect clear vinyl boat windows with Clear View. Aurora Clear View comes complete as a 2-bottle kit. Clear vinyl windows, including Isinglass or Strataglass, deteriorate over time. Without proper care, they turn white, get brittle, and start to crack. Replacement can cost thousands of dollars. We're going to show you how easy it is to restore a foggy window on this older Searay with Aurora Clear View. First, rub away the oxidized plastic, fine scratches, and in-ground dirt with the No. 1 Cleaner Restorer using a soft cotton cloth. Next, wipe away the haze with a microfiber cloth. Now apply No. 2 coating to both the inside and outside. It will fill in the scratches, protect the vinyl from UV, and restore the optical clarity. And finally, buff off the haze with a microfiber cloth. Well, there you have it, a clear view. This vinyl window looks brand new again. Regular use of Clear View will keep your boat windows looking new and double their life. Do you remember what this window looked like before? Well, look at it now. You too can be proud of your clear vinyl windows. It's easy, fun, and look at the results you get with Clear View.